I'm at Manea Close in Lower Earley today, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of this property behind me, which is a 2-bedroom mid-terraced home. The property is well presented throughout. The owner's been here just over 4 years, refitted the bathroom in that time, but as you will see from the presentation, needs very little else doing. It's very much ready to move into, ideal for first-time buyers, second-time buyers, or even landlords. It's well placed in Lower Earley, good access to motorway junctions, the Asda supermarket, as well as a park nearby, so good walks and things like that. There's also some parking just to the front of the property, dedicated to this property. So let's go inside and take a look around. Just before we walk inside the property, I will just give you a 360 view of the property and its location. Manea Close is a small close, not many houses here at all. It's a cul-de-sac, as you might imagine, and as you can see, good parking to the front of the property. As I turn to my right, there's a walkway through to some parkland as well. So if you've got pets, a dog maybe, absolutely ideal. Okay, let's head on inside. So as we walk through the front door into an entrance hall with stairs leading to the upper floor, door immediately to my right into the lounge dining room. Nice light and airy room with archway and walkway through to the kitchen area. So you've got dual aspect with front and rear views. Got a modern grey carpet, good condition, double glazed, gas central heating. Nice open aspect to the front of the property and parking to the front, which obviously you saw before we came in. And the kitchen area with a tiled floor, tiled splashbacks, 4-in gas hob, space for washing machine, view through to the garden, and some more storage on the other side of the kitchen, space for a fridge freezer, and boiler up in the top corner there. Okay, I'll take you on upstairs next before we go out into the garden. So as we reach the first floor, we've got door to an airing cupboard, the master bedroom with frontal aspect, good sized room, obviously double in size. Across to the bathroom. This was refitted by the current owner just a few years ago, so it features modern white tiling in a brick effect with a wood effect plank tiled floor and built-in WC and basin with some storage under. Bedroom 2, currently used as a music room and office, as you will see, desk and piano. And to give you an elevated view of the garden, just there. So the garden is a nice size, as you can see, good area of lawn with a shrub border to one side. There's a further hard standing towards the rear of the garden with a timber framed edging and garden shed as well. View back towards the house, and if you didn't already spot it, there is access there through a gate, takes you back round to the front of the property, ideal for taking garden waste and bikes and things like that. So that concludes the video viewing for the property. I hope you enjoyed the look around. If you've got some questions, or indeed if you'd like to book a viewing, do contact the office and we'd be very pleased to show you around.